Just in time, baby. But you missed your soft scrub for sure if you didn't see it. My jersey sink. I miss my jersey sink. My favorite when Space is live is when he goes like this. Space goes like this. It's my favorite. Baby, we've got 300 people hanging out with us. Yeah, send it to me, please. Uh-oh. If anyone wants to add, let me know. Thank you for the gift. What are we at? 60K tax? Thank you guys. Thank you, Summer. I still have 3 tidy bowls, y'all. My menu is my first pinned video on my page. If anyone would like to check it out. Go to sleep, Mama. You deserve it. Tidy bowl, yeah, I have 3 tidy bowls. They are 3 each. What do you think? Should we continue lives in this thing? You guys? Hi, RN. Welcome in. Hey, TikToker. Oh my god, TikToker. Remember when we did that battle with Pool Brie? The double sink? And you came out victorious? Yes, I do have an epoxy. You're in my mind. How could I forget? That was so fun. That was one of my best lives. It was so fun. It was so fun. You are such a, what's it called? What's it called? The word is escaping me. Yes, you are Liquids girly. But you're a great competitor too. He's sorry. If anyone sends, let me know, because I can't see the notification when it drops down. I miss her too. I hope she's well. I really do. Hi, Melly Mel. The person that sent for the detergent, are you still here? Hi, Shari. Welcome in, y'all. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the shares, the taps. Thank you, Amber, for sharing. Thank you for the follows. Girl, you missed an epic powder play. It was so good. I'll repost it though. Everyone fell asleep for the powder play, huh? 40 can powder play, babe. Fabric softener? Yeah, I have like 6 of them left. Yeah. No, that was put in already. The awesome was put in. My menu is the first pinned video on my page if anyone is interested. I know, Shay. Hi. There's a good amount. We're just kind of savoring everything in here right now. Robin, you still here?